Subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for more videos. Hellcat!
Crafter 799 Enterprises Inc. presents Devious Diesel / scares Thomas the Tank Engine / grounded.
Man, I hate Thomas the Tank Engine so much. He always gets me into trouble. What should I do? I know, I am going to scare Thomas the Tank Engine. Ha 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 ha.
Dinosaur, GRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRR
Thomas the Tank Engine, I have a surprise for you.
Really? What is it?
Play
Wah.
Ha 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 ha.
Wah.
Thomas, what's happened?
Devious Diesel scares me. Wah.
What? Thank you for telling me. He is going to be so much trouble. Devious Diesel, Devious Diesel, Devious Diesel, Devious Diesel. Get over here right now. What is it, Sir Toffing Hat? Devious Diesel, did you scare Thomas? Tell me the truth right now or you will be grounded. Okay, I scared Thomas. Devious Diesel, how dare you scare Thomas? That's it, you are grounded for 20,000 years. Go to your room now. Don't worry Thomas, your mean diesel train is in his room and he will never do anything like that again.
Thank you, Sir Toffee Hat.
You're welcome Thomas. Wah.
Thanks for watching Devious Diesel Scares Thomas the Tank Engine / Grounded, and happy Halloween to all.